So like many of the K5s, mine is also very, very rusty. So I thought about making a video where I show how the roof is constructed and how the sheet metal is put together, because that would be something that would have helped me a lot. On the right hand side, the A-pillar was rusted through. So I replaced everything, and I'll show on the other side how it looked before. That is the better side. Mine even had the hole in the A-pillar. As I had difficulties to know where I had to start on this project, I thought that I'd just make a quick video where I show how all the pieces are put together. So the outer part of the A-pillar is currently missing, but as you can see, the roof and the A-pillar is braced together. So you can see some of the bracing material is still there. The roof itself is held in place with a lot of spot welds. Here you can see some of the spot welds that are drilled out. I'll put the piece back in there so you can see how these fit together. So the only area where the roof is connected to another sheet metal part is on the outer part of the A-pillar. All the rest is held in place with spot welds, as you can see here. This part is like indented into the B-pillar and pushed under the metal, so you can kind of see it here, and then just sealed with some type of sealant. So there are some other spot welds here. The part that connects the roof to the door frame is also welded in with spot welds. There is also a brace welded in with spot welds. You can see here the brace goes over the A-pillar and connects the two A-pillars with each other. But the brace is currently replaced with the bar I had laying around because I want to have everything kept in place. The door frame and the roof is held together with pinch welds. So this is the outer part of the A-pillar that is welded to the inner part of the A-pillar. Here you can see the corner of the windshield frame. That is the part of the frame you would normally see when nothing is removed. So now I will remove the outer window cowl. We'll take out these pins quickly. So here you can see how this is fitted on the A-pillar. And now you can see like the middle A-pillar that goes down to the bottom of the car and is also fitted with a lot of spot welds to the inner A-pillar. Taking out some pins to get the sheet metal out from the middle A-pillar. I just call it like this right now. And now you can see how the inner A-pillar looks. So this part is just welded on the inner A-pillar and goes under the middle A-pillar, as you can see like this. Everything is normally just one piece, but I had to Frankenstein this car a little bit with pieces of another K5. I removed the other pins that are currently holding everything together right now. And now I can remove the whole piece. and you can see the complete inner A-pillar and the inner roof. You can find the whole inner A-pillar as a new part. That is not a problem, costs around $160, but the outer part is not available as a new part, or at least I haven't found anything. I hope the video was a little helpful to you so that you can tackle the rust in your K5 as well.